All right. So if you're just getting started with crypto, buying Bitcoin on Binance is usually the first step. Yeah, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Super simple, step by step. First, log into your Binance account and go to the dashboard. Now click on Buy Crypto at the top. This is where you can purchase Bitcoin directly. Next, select Bitcoin BTC as your coin. Yeah, that's the one you want if you're starting out. Now enter how much you want to buy. You can type in your local currency or the amount of Bitcoin you want. Then choose your payment method like bank card, bank transfer, or available local options depending on your region. Now double check everything and click confirm. The price updates fast, so yeah, make sure you're okay with it before confirming. Once it goes through, your Bitcoin will show up in your wallet almost instantly. And that's it, you just bought Bitcoin on Binance. Start small, learn how it moves, and always do your own research before investing more.